me, Kylie. I'm so glad you're here because today there's something in the Maker Box. Yes, I love Maker Box days. Okay, let's see what's in here. Huh. A jar. Just a empty jar. I mean, that's fine. There's lots of things you can do with a jar. I sort of wish there was something in there. What? Wasn't this just empty? Now it's filled with Legos? We wish there was something in there. And when I put it in the Maker Box, then there was something in there. I mean, I love building with these, but let's try this. I wish there was something else in there. Candy? Is it real? It is. And it's delicious. All right, okay. I wish there was something else in there. What? Do you see that? Googly eyes. I love googly eyes. How many times do you think we can do this? I wish there was something else in there. Paper clips? Yeah, that was not so exciting. Well, so far we've just wished for something random. What if we wished for something specific? What if we wished for something that wouldn't even fit in a jar? How much magic do you think this jar can do? What should we wish for? I got it. I got a challenge for you, jar. I wish the whole solar system was in this jar. What? It is the solar system in a jar. It's beautiful. Do you want to see how to make it? To the studio. The first thing you need is a jar. I'm going to separate the jar from the lid. I'm going to make my solar system with polymer clay. This is a clay that bakes at a very low temperature in your oven so that it will stay nice and hard when we put the water and glycerin and all the things that we need in the jar with it. The first thing I'm going to do is start off with a clump of black. This will kind of represent space. It will also give a nice base for our sculpture. I made a small hill of clay in the lid of my jar, and I'm just going to put the top on and make sure that it still fits. I'm using wire. You could also use toothpicks. I'm going to bend the edges a little bit so it gives the clay something to hold on to. And you could even twist these up a little bit if you want to, just if you're feeling fancy. And I'm going to stick it right into the clay just like this. I'm going to do that 9 times. There we go. Now I have 9 stems for my planets to live on. Time to start sculpting a solar system. For the sun, I'm going to use yellow, red, and a little bit of white. Get smooshing. Roll it into a ball and attach it right to the wire that you'd like your sun on. Woo-doo! Mercury, a little black, a little white to make a nice gray. Venus, yellow and white. For Earth, I'm going to mix up a green first with yellow and blue. Then I'm gonna add that green to blue for the water of Earth and a little bit of white for the clouds. What's next? Oh, Mars, red planet. Might add in a little gray to spice things up. Next up, our biggest planet, Jupiter. I'm gonna mix up some brown by taking each one of my primary colors and blending them together with a little bit of white. Then I can make different tones of that brown by adding more blue or red or yellow or white or black or whatever. For Saturn, I'm just gonna take some of that brown that I made and add a lot more white and a little more blue. Gotta make some rings. I just rolled a coil and I'm gonna wrap it around my sphere. Love it. Uranus, mostly blue, a little white, and a little yellow. And last but not least, Neptune. I'm gonna use this dark blue just like this, and I'm gonna mix in a little bit of white for the clouds. I love it. Put it in your oven to the temperature and time that the package of your polymer clay tells you to. Be right back. While we're waiting for the solar system to get out of the oven, let's make the swirly galaxy that will surround it. I'm gonna start with a little bit of water, maybe about half full. I'm gonna add some vegetable glycerin. If you don't have this, that's totally fine. You can use clear glue. This is just gonna help suspend the glitter and confetti and different things that I put in there a little while longer so they'll swirl a little more. Clear glue. We wanna fill it up almost all the way to the rim. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add in some different glitter. I have these cool stars. Some star glitter. Ooh. The planets are out of the oven. I'm just waiting for them to cool. Then I'm gonna cover them up with a gloss sealer, and I'm going to take this clay off and attach it with a waterproof glue to the top of my lid. When all of that is done and dry and cooled off, we're gonna put our solar system in its jar. If you want to make more art together, you know I do too. Just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee, that's me. See you soon.